Welcome to the next video. In this one I will be going over a tool called SEO Spider, and this tool is great if you want to analyze a whole website, if you want to get a score and tips and improvements for a whole website instead of only a single page. If you want to do a single page, you can use SEO Checker instead. Okay, you can do the analysis of the website by simply tapping on this button here or here as well. So yeah, let's go. For this use case, we will be doing WordPress.com, so we can see their score. It's as easy as this, and you just tap on New Scan, and then you need to wait a bit for it to actually download all the pages. So you can see here that it's in progress and it's downloading all the pages. Okay, so the crawl is completed, and we can now see the score of the page. So you just need to click on it, and you will see again the preview of mobile and desktop version of the app, as well as the SEO score for the whole domain. And let's go over the details. You can go here to these categories, or you can see this. This is a content and content parts. In the base, again, you will have the score for each of these things, and you will also give have here the what to solve, and sometimes you will get the tips why it matters and how to improve it. Okay, we have base, we have structure. So you can see that there is a text code ratio and some technical stuff. Then we have the content, and then you have the duplicated. So you can see if you have any duplicated pages, duplicated titles, and etc. Again, you have tips, and you also have how to solve and what to improve, so you can get 100 point score. Last one is social, and again, these are the scores for the whole domain for all the, I think, 500 pages. And you can also go through here, so you can browse through the content types, so you can see all the titles for all of your pages, and you can see score for each of them. Oh, sorry, this is character count, and you can see whether you should use more or the amount is good. Same goes here for the headlines, and then you also have the description, you have the text, images, and etc. So you can go over each of those options, and you can see how well are you doing for each of those pages. Okay, that's it for the SEO Spider, and yeah. Okay, that's it for the SEO Spider, and in the next video we'll be going over a next tool called Keyword Explorer, which basically helps you coming up with new and maybe underpriced and more easier to target keywords. So see you in the next video.